Well, good morning everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm here today at the Krazy Horse at the Capital House in Welling. It's about 10 miles from the heart of London. So come and see me and see what bike I'm going to ride today. Give some beans. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I've just left the Indian shop. Just try and find some green lanes here. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Already I can feel it, feel the power beneath the in the engine. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Well, hello folks, it's ID Rider here. Just left this shop at Krazy Horse in Welling, and quite near Bexley Heath, 10 miles as I said, near London, the centre of London. And I'm on the Indian FTR 1200, and I can almost feel how responsive it is. So I'm going to take it nice and easy as usual and get the feel of this bike. I'm just blown away by it already. There's such nice people back at this shop that they've gone over the specs with me. I'll go through the specs a bit later. Just want to concentrate on this riding, and just to see how responsive it is, how comfortable it is. I guess really and truly the seat, it moulds already and it feels lovely and soft, and even on long rides I can imagine this being such a nice ride. So 6-speed already. Let's put my visor down because it's going to be quite windy. There you go, that's a bit better, isn't it? Let's do a left up here, shall we? So there's 3 riding modes: Sport, Rain and Road, I believe. And very nice. The TFT I'm looking at right now is telling me the temperature, outside temperature. It's got a little northwest, southeast, whatever position you're going to, like a compass on it. It's telling me the miles per gallon. Here we go, hold on. Tells you the gear that you're in, obviously, which is always helpful, especially for me, because I never know when I'm in neutral. So 2nd gear, 3rd gear, lovely, such a smooth action. I'm loving it already. I'm loving it already. It's so nice, so beautiful. So, and it's just spitting with rain. That's all right. It's not going to spoil my day, that's for sure. Absolutely lovely. Oh my goodness me. Where do I go? Just going to follow it round, that's all. Nice and easy around the corners here. 20 mile zone. Didn't really want to come down here, did I? Oh, lovely. Yeah. I don't want to go too mad. I know there's a car right up my backside, but hey, he can wait. We're in a 20 mile zone. Oh my days, the handling of this bike is just unbelievable. Very nice, very responsive, as I keep saying. Aesthetically, it's beautiful. It's not the latest model. It's 21 plate, so it's a couple of years old. They've updated the TFT to a round one, but this one still does the same sort of job. The only thing this one hasn't got that I've seen right now, it hasn't got a built-in sat-nav, which the latest model has. So it comes in 3 styles, I believe. So it's the FTR base model, you've got the Rally, and they've got the Carbon. So they've got a Carbon back at the shop. I'll have a little look at that later. I'm not going to take that out for a ride today. So hi, yes, this is the Indian FTR 1200 I've been riding. Well, not this particular one. The other one I've just finished riding, which you will see soon enough. So yes, the specs on this one, it's a 1200cc V-twin liquid cooled engine with a 120 Newton meters of torque and 120 brake horsepower. So at the front here we have fully adjustable front forks, I believe made by Saks, and let's have a quick look. And the rear we have the monoshock, also made by Saks, fully adjustable as you can see. 4-pot Brembo brakes at the front. Let's have a quick look. There we are. And at the front we have 320 mils of dual discs, which you can clearly see there. So this is flat track inspired, 17-inch wheels with Metzler Sport Tech tyres, which are really grippy and race-like. I remember these tyres on my Triumph Speed Twin, very good tyres. So we have 3 versions. This is the base FTR, which runs at 12,995. There's also a rally and a sport, which I've just ridden, at 14,995. But the top of the range is the carbon, which runs at 16,695. So this is the new TFT that I was talking about.